Hi, I'm David, and I'm the owner of the Light Lounge here in Evergreen, Colorado, and I have some trivia for you today. And you probably need to be a child of the 80s, maybe growing up in the 80s. Christ, I was going to college in the 80s to understand this. Now, look, I'm going to try to impersonate this guy, but if you get this, if you know who this guy is, come into Light Lounge, be the first person into Light Lounge, and you won't just get one free session, but I'm going to give you an entire month of free light. That's how confident I am that this is a great light, okay? But there are some terms and conditions here, all right? If you are already a customer, this doesn't apply to you. I'm sorry, customers. I try to do some cool things for you all year long, but this is for people that have never been to the Light Lounge, okay? So if you've never been here, we're up here at Bergen Village, 1262 Bergen Parkway in Evergreen, Colorado, 80439. We're in building E as in Edward. We're on the lower level, and we face the beautiful mountains to the west, all right? So, do you know who this is? If you do, I need his first and last name. He did a commercial in the 80s. I'm gonna try to impersonate him, so here we go. I am not a comedian. I don't know why I'm trying to do this. I'm gonna do this with a straight face, I swear. Hi, I'm David Martin, and this is the Light Lounge. What is the Light Lounge? Well, it's not a place that you're gonna go buy light bulbs, but some people think you feel a little lit when you leave. And you know what? It's not a place that you'd go and get a glass of whiskey or some wine, but some people do get addicted to it. And you know, it's definitely not a church, but some people do feel that it is God's light. You know what Light Lounge is? It's a special kind of light. It's a low-level light, and it stimulates our mitochondria. Did you know that our mitochondria is a third of our body weight? And every once in a while, that mitochondria gets a little upset, and it starts to dysfunctionate. That's not a word, but I'm trying. And this light, well, it straightens up your mitochondria. And, you know, you're gonna sleep better, you're not gonna have any inflammation, and you're just gonna have more energy, and you're gonna be a better human being all around, and who knows, you might get a little happy. So come on down to Light Lounge and get a free session. We'll turn the light on. Okay, do you know who that is? Drive down to 1262 Bergen Parkway here in Evergreen, Colorado. Oh God, there comes a truck. Boy, am I a professional or what? Thank you, appreciate you. Love ya. Come down to 1262 Bergen Parkway, Suite E14, that's the Light Lounge, and tell me who that is. Thanks.